This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called H3r. This H3r is the ransomware that may considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. Sadly, because of some vulnerabilities in the system, this H3r ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that this ransomware has damaged the files and appended this H3r extension to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims in this ransom note that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay it. We strongly recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, but to download it you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. The point is that other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, though. It helps to detect this ransomware, to remove it, and to protect your files with this anti-ransomware feature, but file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the computer. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for always keeping your files protected in the future.